But this one right away, I see there's an angle involved, which is right there. And then I can see that other than that, there's two, whoops, not that. There's a side and another side. So whenever I see an angle and a couple of sides involved in a problem, I know it has to be either sine, cosine, or tangent. So there's my little um, note to myself to help me pick out what I'm supposed to do. And then I'm going to label things here. So it says AX is 27. It says find AZ. That's the hypotenuse. That's the opposite. That's the adjacent. So I am looking at the adjacent and the hypotenuse, which is cosine. I want the adjacent. I have the hypotenuse. So I'm going to set up cosine of something equals a fraction. All right. Inside the parentheses is always the angle. So that means the 50 goes in the parentheses. The 27 is the hypotenuse. That goes on the bottom. And I don't know the adjacent. All right. Now I am finding a side. I know the angle. When I'm finding an angle, I don't do this. But when I'm finding a missing side, I know the angle. I'm going to do cosine of 50. I'm going to bring up my calculator here. I'm going to check to make sure it's in degree. I'm going to hit the mode button, make sure it's in degree right there, which it is. Quit out of that. I'm just going to hit cosine of 50. It's going to give me that decimal, 6427. 0.6427, blah, blah, blah. Then cross multiply. The decimal is going to multiply by the number, which is the best case scenario because then I don't have to do anything in terms of division, times 27, 17,355. And then I'm going to look. It says nearest integer. That means no decimals. So round to the nearest integer is just 17.